Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a cumulative frequency lesson for my year 10s, and we've got a set of data about some runners completing a race and the time. So this variable here is time, and that is the frequency. So we know that 18 of them grouped together completed the race between 20 and 25 minutes, 45 in the next 5 minutes, 37 in the next 5 minutes, and so on until all 160, sorry I got that in the wrong place, all 160 had completed it by 50 minutes. So we do cumulative frequency, which we're adding on all the ones up until the end of that interval there. So 18 after 25, then you add the 45, 63 after 30, add another 37, that would be 100 after 35, 133 after 40 minutes, 152 after 45 minutes, and then I should have that number there is the total, all 160. So if we're going to plot that now, we'll have, excuse me, it's just a sketch, the time intervals here on the x-axis and the frequency up here on the y-axis. So the first point there would be 18, and we plotted at the end of that interval. So the end of 25, we had 18. Then after 30 minutes, we have all 63, because we know by 30 minutes, 63 will have finished it. So we plotted the end of the time interval. After 35, 100. So at the end of that time interval, we have 100. We should get this kind of sigmoid S shape. It would be more accurate if I wasn't just sketching. 133 after 40. 152 after 45. And then it should tail off that at 50 I have all 160. So it's not the greatest sketch, but it should fit there. Then, if we want to use this data to find the median, well, we find half of 160, which would be, where's the 80th person? So we're hoping that they'll be somewhere in that category, 30 to 35. So we look at 80 and we read across. So say median is about 32 minutes. The lower quartile, we've got 160, so it would be 40. So lower quartile would be, say, 27. Upper quartile would be 120, and would read down there, say, 37. That would be the upper quartile. And that way you could get the interquartile range, upper quartile minus lower quartile. You could then answer questions such as how many finished after a certain time, how many finished before a certain time. Okay, so that's just a quick demonstration of completing a cumulative frequency table and plotting the curve. Thanks for watching.